Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use financial news to improve technology stocks trading. Alright, so we are on the quarterly chart of HP Incorporation, belonging to the technology sector. Alright, computer systems. This is an American stock. The EPIC for HP Incorporation is HPQ Hotel Papa Quebec. Alright, that's the EPIC for HP stock. Alright, as you can see here, HPQ, that's the EPIC for HP stock. So if you are using computers, probably you have used before HP computers, HP laptops, all right, or the electrical equipment from HP, the computer, builder, all right. But today we want to use HP stock to illustrate a situation where one can use a financial news to improve a technology stock trading. All right. So I'm going to refer you to one article at www.cnbc.com, www.cnbc.com, and the title of that article is The PC Market is Finally Picking Up Again, and HP is the big winner. So there is this article about HP stock, and not only HP, but also about the PC market. So we know that HP builds computers, they sell computers, all right, laptops, desktop, and all the peripheral for computers, all right. So when we are talking about using financial news to improve technology stock, we will look at the financial news that are relating to technology stock. Here there is an article which is a financial news relating to HP stock. How can we use that financial news that is relating to HP stock and combine that with the technical analysis to improve technology stock trading. This is the topic today. All right. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go through the article so you may have a bit of idea what this article is all about. The PC market isn't bleeding out on a gurney after all, so it's not dying as a lot of people were expecting the PC market a few years ago, that this is the end of the laptop, this is the end of desktop, that the future is brighter for smartphone and for a tablet. But recently we have seen that more and more people still buy the desktop. Myself, I bought recently a new desktop, all right, and I like very much the desktop, and I will never stop using the desktop. Anyway, I use my smartphone, all right, and I get rid of all my tablet, in fact, so I don't have any more tablet. I'm using only my smartphone for anything else that I need to do on a tablet. So there is a demand for PC market, and one of the company that is going to benefit from it is the HP. All right? IDC on Tuesday said that a global shipment of PC increased for the first time on an annualized basis since the first quarter of 2012. So the market for the PC market is increasing since 2012. All right. It noted the PC shipment increases 0.6% year over year during the first quarter of 2017. And now, this is a good news for PC sellers, including HP. So this is a financial news. All right. So generally, when traders are trading, especially technical traders that are using the CCI, the commodity channel index, the stochastic, the RSI, the moving averages, sometimes they forget the financial news. All right, the financial news are very important for all market participants, especially if you are trading stock or if you are trading technology stock. You want to read the financial news, relating to technology stock, and CNBC provide excellent article here about HP. All right. So there is a website also, investors.com. You have barons.com. You have FOOL.com. Those are the websites you can go and check economy news relating to financial. Okay, and also Google News, okay, and Google Finance, Yahoo Finance. You will check economy news, so you can just put the epic of the technology stock like HPQ. This is the epic for HP, and then you can put it in a Google Finance or Yahoo Finance, and then you click on news, and then you can check all the news related to that technology stock. You read it, and then you analyze the news, and then you see what's going to happen. Okay, then you make your decision accordingly. So with this financial news that I'm reading to you now, what can you deduct? So a big player, all right, in the PC market is HP. Now the financial news is telling us that that sector is still alive and kicking. It's very, very well growing. Okay, so this is a financial news, a very important information, and the information, those information are very, very powerful information. That the PC market is working, it's growing. Now, this is a big player. So for us technical trader, what we need to do now is to find a valid excuse to buy the stock for day trading and swing trading purposes, all right? And also for position trading purposes. So we will be analyzing the chart of HP, because we know that fundamentally a lot of investors want to buy HP. Now we are getting ready, and if we see high probability bullish trading setup for HP, we will position ourselves to swing trade and day trade, or even position trade the HP stock. Okay, so this is one way to use the financial news to improve technology stock trading. All right. So talking about the financial news, the financial news can relate to a specific stock. All right. So they may have a financial news relating to HP itself. We can use that to improve our technology stock trading. There could be a financial news relating to the sector, all right, or the product that the company is selling. All right, this is very, very important. All right, or a financial news relating to the financial market in general. All right, so those are the things you want to pick. All right, so you read those articles. All right, and then now you use the technical analysis, to align with those financial news. All right. So we are not talking about somebody trying to propel a stock, try to push a stock price out, but this is a real investigation, a market, a sector, a PC market, a PC shipment, all right? How much quantity of PC has been sold, all right? Those are real facts that can influence a business, all right? Another thing I need to highlight to traders, on the 22nd of February 2017, HP reports 3.6% rise in quarterly revenue. Now, this is recent, 22nd of February 2017. So I'm recording this video today on the 12th of April 2017. So this is another financial news, but that financial news that I just said to you, February 22nd, HP report 3.6% rise in quarterly revenue. This is a specific financial news relating to HP alone. But now, the article that we are reading now is relating to a market. Which market? The PC market, where HP is a leader. Another thing that I can point out to you, if you're in London, we use for the online, transaction buying computers, we use PC World. All right, PC World. So we go to www.pcworld.co.uk and we purchase our computers and all the other bits, laptops and tablets. But if you like to try, if you go for instance now to www.pcworld.co.uk, if you open the web page, the home page of PC World, you see that most of the first laptop that they will present you with will be all HP. I wonder why all the time they push HP there, which means probably this is, the product that are selling fast. That's the first one they will put it on their home page, yes or no. So you will see most of the PC laptop you will see on the home page will be PC. But apart from HP, so now we are talking financial news relating to the PC market, all right? Now, there are other players in the PC market. All right? Let's continue to read. All right? The research firm admitted the bump in arguably flats, but it actually came as a bit of a surprise. In fact, earlier models suggested that the PC market was going to continue its downward spiral with a decline of 1.8% during the quarter, but that was not the case at all. Tight supply of key components such as NAND and DRAM are affecting inventory dynamic and led the number of vendors to boost shipment to lock in supply ahead of further cost increase. IDC explained. All right. In addition, the market continued along a path of stabilization that began in the later half of last year, especially as more commercial projects moved out of pilot mode and began shipment in earnest. HP, repeat. Right now, this is the bit you need to pay attention to. Now, this involves other PC market players. We are talking about Acer, we are talking about Lenovo, we are talking about Dell, we are talking about Apple. But it became more interesting for HP. Listen carefully. HP came out on top during the quarter, grabbing the market share crown from the first time since the first quarter of 2013 with 13.1 million shipment. Now this is specifically for HP. Lenovo, Dell, Apple, and Acer fill out the top 5 vendors by shipment during the quarter. But one thing you need to remember, now, because I read another article before talking about technology stocks, now Apple is no more the number one in the PC market, talking about the sale, all right. It's more Lenovo, and then HP, and then Acer, and Dell, and Apple, all right, in that order. So HP and Lenovo and Dell are grabbing more market share from Apple. So this is a financial economy news relating to technology stock, HP, but also highlighting either related company. You remember what I said to you, you go to Google Finance, you put the epic of HP, HPQ. Now then you click on related company. The reason why you need to click on related companies to see the competitors. And some of those competitors are Lenovo, Dell, Apple, and Acer. All right? Okay. So, IDC said the notebook market declined in the United States and was weak in Asia. But the point I'm making here, the PC market isn't as lively as it once was, though, but it's picking up because the PC market went down big time. The traditional PC market has been through a tough time with competition from tablets, as I told you, smartphone, as well like lengthening life cycle, pushing PC shipment down roughly 30% from the peak of 2011. But now after the down move, so here we are. So we are technical trader. In the past, since up to 2011, the PC market was going up big time, and now there was a period when it went down. So it went down. But now it's picking up again. So for us, this is an invitation to look at PC, sellers, HP, Lenovo, Acer, Apple, and look for technical trading setup that will allow us to time the market and make profit out of that financial news. All right. So we are using the financial news to help our technical analysis. This is what we are doing here. All right. Okay. All right. So it's looking good. Talking about the financial news that we are reading now is a bullish financial economy news for HP. Now let's look at the chart, because at the end of the day we are not trading the financial news, we are trading the chart. And now let's see what's happening. Okay. Without too much blah 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 from my side, HP has exhibited a double bottom. Where is it? This one. This is the double bottom that I'm talking about here. I'll highlight it in red. the price did exhibited a double bottom chart pattern on the quarterly chart, okay? Now then after that we see that HP has also exhibited a higher low. This is a high probability bullish trading setup for day traders, swing traders and position traders. A higher low after a double bottom chart pattern or a higher low after a bullish chart pattern is a high probability trading setup. Now you can see that we have again here some candlestick pattern. One up, one down. See, this is it, one up, one down. I'll be recording a video about that candlestick pattern at dayprotraders.com. One up and one down. It's a specific candlestick pattern. All right. So at the point where we had that high probability trading setup, we see also a confirmation with a candlestick pattern, this one here. Let me remove this. So you see this inverted hammer, you see here. One up, this is the one up, and this is the one down. When you see one up, one down, this is a bullish candlestick pattern, provided that the price went down first. So if the price went down first, and then we see one up, one down, especially on the monthly chart or any time higher than the monthly chart. It's true on any time frame, but if you are looking for solid, more reliable trading setup of one up, one down candlestick pattern, look for them on the monthly chart and also on the quarterly chart. Those two candlestick bar must close, and then the following candlestick bar highlight the high, the low of this candlestick bar, and draw the median line. You want the price to pull back near the median line of this one, or to start going above the high of the second candlestick bar, this one here. So this is what has happened here. And position traders I told traders, if you're in the stock market, position traders, hedge funds, bank, big financial institutions that are technical traders use the quarterly chart for position trading. You need to know that. All right, you need to know that. You need to know that. So position, these are these are position traders, and they are buying HP after this trading setup here. So now we have a bullish trading setup, double bottom followed by higher low, and we have again economy news. Now as you can see, those who bought HP at early stage using the chart alone, the price now at a resistance level, we can't ignore it. That's why the price stopped here now. So where are we going after the economy news, after that financial news? So if you look carefully here, you can see that this stock, HP, went up like this, and then pulled back from this low here. All right? From this low, it went up, pulled back. This was an invitation to buy. People responded, and they push it up like this. All right? Price went up to $24. Again, look carefully, my friend. Price went up again here. You see here, the same low, equal low, went up again, and then pull back here. And then pull back. At that point in time, the professional traders will expect HP to push it back up again to this level here, the same target of $24. But after that, HP couldn't reach that target of $24, but instead gave us a high probability bearish trade. This is a high probability bearish trade. Why? Why this is a high probability bearish trading setup here? Because we have a double top, which is a bearish chart pattern, followed by a lower high. It's a high probability trading setup again on a quarterly chart. So a double top or a bearish chart pattern, followed by a lower high. That's a high probability trading setup. Now, though we have a double bottom here, price start going now. If you, after this candlestick back here, you see this is a bearish engulfment. This one here is a bearish engulfment, closing even below the first candlestick bar. All right, you highlight the high, the low, and the median line of that candlestick bar, that bearish candlestick bar that went down, and then you want the price to rally. You see here, it's a good, you see, rally up near the median line of that candlestick bar, the second one here, this one. That's what's happening here. See, it went up, to the median line and they sold it down. That's how you sell the bearish engulfment. All right. Hold on a second. I need to note something down. Sometimes I'm recording videos and I need to write a thing down. Okay. All right. I'm still here. Just last thing I need to write again. All right. Okay. Now you see, okay, so price couldn't reach the target of $24 at this point in time. But though this bearish engulfment is high probability trading setup, people sold it, as the price continued to go down, all right, the bearish momentum has stalled. How do we know that the bearish momentum has stalled? Because if it did not stall, it should go below this low here, forming a new lower low below this low. But it couldn't go below this low. But instead, it formed a higher low. This is a reversal point. This is a reversal. Now, professionals saw that candlestick pattern, one up, one down here, and they are buying HP, but the price is now a resistance level. But remember the title of this video, how to use financial news to improve technology stock trading. So the article that we were reading is in at www.cnbc.com. I'll put the link in the description section below, all right? So check it out. And by the way, this article, all right, is bullish for HP, but technically speaking, we must analyze the chart, all right, and make decision accordingly. So if you want to buy HP at this junction, we need to, look for give priority to bullish signal only above the level of $18.14. It's critical for us, okay, because there is a resistance here, so we can't ignore it. So we prefer it to break above the $18 level and to pull back to convert that level into support, turn around, and then we implement a top-down trading method to trade it for day trading, swing trading, and position trading. So if it goes above it and pull back and retest it here, you say, oh, George, I don't want to know about the quarterly chart. You can switch from that quarterly chart to the 4-hour time frame, and you are looking for bullish chart pattern near the $18.14. Now, right now, if I color this line here of $18.14 into pink, and I go to the 4-hour time frame, you know that this is a very important key level, resistance level. If you want to buy, a bull, break a bull, retest, turn around. If you want to sell, below that level. So priority to bullish signal above the $18.14 and priority to bearish signal below it. So I'm going back to the 4-hour time frame. And remember, that's the line here, you see. So this is today, all right. Stock gap up, went to this $18 level. People sold it down. I'm on the 4-hour time frame. Today is what? Look, the 12 of the market is not closed yet. All right, you see. All right, this is a resistance on the 4-hour time frame. All right, if we go, let's go to the 50-minute time frame. Here it is. It gap up. You see, and then just roll it down. All right. Yeah, this is what we are talking about. So don't think of the quarterly time frame like, oh, George, I'm a day trader, I don't need to use the quarterly chart. Highlight the key level on the quarterly chart, on the yearly chart, and then switch to the lower time frame. You will see them. Here it is. And look, this is, look at that. For scalper, this is a double top, all right, on a 50-minute time frame, near a resistance level. Where do we have a bearish chart pattern? Near resistance level. In fact, what was happening here today is a triple top. Why? Because there was this double top. Okay, you can see. Yeah. So if the price now it dip below it, it's going back. If you close below that line again, this line right now, if you come back and close below it, that's another invitation to sell using a top-down trading method to bring it down. All right. So all this is happening near a resistance level. Now, for day traders, we are speculating for short term. We are concentrating on the short term. Swing traders will concentrate on medium term. All right, and position traders and investors will concentrate on the long term. All right, let's go back again to the quarterly chart. All right, quarterly chart. One more time, and here we are. So prior to bullish signal above, prior to bearish signal below, price target for HP, all right, $24, maximum, okay. All right, in fact, that this target, in fact, the target is here. The target, we put it here because that's the last low here. The target for HP is $27. But remember that there is a resistance at $24. So we may say, all right, initial target $24, ultimate target $27 because of the resistance here. All right, here we are. This is the initial target $24, ultimate target $27, provided that the bullish momentum continues. Repeat, provided that the bullish momentum continues. So the financial news is bullish for HP, is bullish for the PC market, is bullish for technology stocks that are selling data in the PC market. All right. Therefore, we as a technical trader must now find, okay, a valid high probability bullish trading setup to trade that financial economy news. So you may, if you read it, don't go and use the article that are just pushing the stock up. All right, you want real facts, okay, relating to the product that they are selling, real facts relating to the sector that they belong to, or a PC market is coming back to life, okay, because it was going down before. The number of shipment, those are real data, okay, that we can analyze. Okay, those are the things you want to look for. Also, when you are looking at a financial news, check the date when the news is released. Don't use old dates. All right, so this article, it's only this week, all right? So it's not old article, so you need to be aware of it. Some article, financial news, may be old, but still valid, all right? They may be old, but still valid, all right? So you want to judge what is said in the article, the source of the article. Are they just making noise, okay? Or is it real fact relating to the business, the core business of that company, all right? So talking about HP, all right? Their core business is about selling, okay, desktop, laptop, and a computer peripheral, okay? All right, so this is just about how to use financial news to improve technology stock trading. In this case, the technology stock that we are looking at is HP, okay, a major player in the PC market. And according to CNBC article here, the PC market is finally picking up again, and HP is the big winner. All right. So technically speaking, all right, we are now at a resistance level. We cannot ignore it. Prior to bullish signal above 18.14, and prior to bearish signal below it. But there is something else I want to show you, which is very interesting. And this time, my friend, I'm going to use where was I before? The most neglected, technical tool, and that tool you can see on my chart now. That's the pitchfork tool. So with the pitchfork tool, we need a 3 point. Here it is, the 3 point. All right. So this is the first point, this low here. This is the second point, this is the third point. With those 3 points, we draw our pitchfork tool. By the way, if you want to learn more about the pitchfork tool trading, check our playlist about pitchfork tool trading at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. All right. So looking at the pitchfork, you can see here, the price drop below that pitchfork tool. Our pitchfork tool. What I always told traders is that whenever that happens, it goes above it or below it, use the width of the pitchfork tool. As you see, that's the width of the pitchfork tool, and project it in the direction of the price. So that's the width of that pitchfork tool, and we project it in the direction of the price, and then we draw a line that is parallel to that pitchfork tool. So what we are doing, in fact, we are trying to recreate another pitchfork tool. So I'll show you now what I mean by recreate. So I project the width of that pitchfork tool, and here I have again another pitchfork tool. Let me adjust this one here, you see. Do you agree that I have another pitchfork tool? All right. I have brown color here. Okay. So this is my new pitchfork tool, which is the projection of my first pitchfork tool. So with that new pitchfork tool, I can have a bit of idea where the price is likely to go. So it dropped down below that first pitchfork tool. I use the wave of that first pitchfork tool, I project in the direction of the price, and I try to recreate a new pitchfork tool here. So if it goes above the 1814 and find a support, start going down, be aware of this line here, the median line of our second pitchfork tool, all right? And most importantly, pay attention to the intersection between the trend line and the horizontal line. Those are hot spot trading zone. All right? Okay. So that's all we can say about HP. The financial news is bullish for HP. Price target, initial price target at $24. Okay. Ultimate target at $27, provided that it finds support above the $18.14 and the bullish momentum continue. Remember that this is a technical analysis relating to a technology stock, HP. But if we stop here, I need to say this because I say it all the time, because it's so important. That's what I'm saying all the time. One should always trade first the market, which is the S&P 500, before trading HP or any individual technology stock. So, most importantly, for those who are trading the technology stock, anytime you are trading HP, you are trading Apple, you need to use the NASDAQ 100 index as a market indicator. All right? So, the NASDAQ 100 is a market indicator for technology stocks. All right? So, now that we are talking about HP, we need to pay attention to the S&P 500, talking about the market, the sector, and individual financial instrument. The individual financial instrument in this case is the HP. The sector is the PC sector, is the technology sector. All right, but we will use, okay, all right, the market. Where is the S&P 500? Is it giving us bullish setup? If that's the case, market giving us a bullish trading setup, HP also giving us bullish setup. That's good news. Or market at a support level, pull back to a support level, that's good news. HP also pulling back to a support level. We align nicely, we work together. But if the HP stock diverge from the market, which the market is bearish, but we want to buy HP, we need to hold. That's the best way forward. But now we are trading HP, we need to pay attention to the NASDAQ 100 index. Where is the NASDAQ 100 index? What is the NASDAQ 100 index doing now? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Is it a resistance level? Is it a support level? Apart from, so you may say, George, that's too much for me. If it's too much, you go one step at a time. So you say, all right, George, I can't combine all this together. Okay, I will pay attention to HP. I'll pay attention to the economy news and to NASDAQ. Okay? When you master that, you go to the next step. You may now pay attention to the HP, pay attention to the economy news, pay attention to the NASDAQ 100 index, and then I can pay attention now to the market. And then you will say, all right, I want to move on one step further. The market leaders. What are the market leaders of the technology sector? Apple and Google. So I keep my eyes on the market leaders. Those market leaders can change the dynamics of the NASDAQ 100 index itself. So they are in fact the motor of that market indicator, the NASDAQ 100 for the technology stocks. So though the financial news for that technology stock, in this case HP, is bullish, there are more work we need to put into it before we just go and buy. Sometimes people will watch television, all right, and they will talk about stock being bullish, blah, 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 PC market doing well, and you jump on it, and then you buy, only to see that on that day, during that week or that month, the stock goes down. But in order to profit from those financial economy news relating to technology stock, we must now take into consideration the market timing, all right, very important, and buying at a specific price, which means is there a value trading setup that has generated a bullish signal that allow us to buy at a low risk entry point. So those are the few things we need to work on gently. I understand that for some new trader beginning, they may think that this is more advanced for me. But as always, they present you with different, a bit complex stuff or something that demand more. Break it down. Take it one step at a time and just keep improving it. So you do not go to the next step until you finish the last one. So one step at a time, okay? So this is the end of this tutorial about how to use financial news to improve technology stock trading. The financial news that we were reading today is relating to HP stock, and according to CNBC, the PC market is finally picking up again, and HP is the big winner. Now the question that we were trying to answer here is how to use that financial news to improve technology stock trading, including HP stock. Right, I hope you will find this video useful, and that you have learned something from it and will put it into use, to make excellent trading and investing decision. If you have any question or suggestion, this is the time to put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use financial news to improve technology stock trading. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.